We are just a couple of months away from the launch of the Galaxy S24 series, and we are very excited to see what Samsung changes this time around. We have already seen leaked renders of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, real-life pictures of the Galaxy S24 Ultra have emerged, and these images validate any doubts we might have had about how the phone looks. A Twitter user somehow managed to get their hands on Galaxy S24 Ultra and inspecting the device closely. It does not look like a dummy unit but an actual phone, but we could be wrong. The images of the Galaxy S24 Ultra are from a new source we haven't heard from before, causing some uncertainty. Yet, S24, a well-known Samsung tipster, has confirmed that these pictures are authentic. So it's reasonable to believe that these are the first accurate glimpse of what the phone will actually look like. The most noticeable change in the images is the nearly flat display. The glass panel has a subtle curve on the side edges, possibly from the 2.5D curved glass, but is not as dramatically curved as seen on the previous Ultra devices. The images of the supposed Galaxy S24 Ultra also reveal a boxy side frame. While previous Ultras had boxy frames, the S24 Ultra appears to emphasize sharp edges even more, creating the impression that the back glass is set within the protective frame. The leaked live images also display the S Pen noticeably sticking out from the phone's frame. The extent of the protrusion is likely due to this being a pre-production unit, and we can expect a smoother finish on the final retail units. Keep in mind that these leaked images are just that, leaks. There's a possibility that they could be inaccurate, fake, or represent one of many colors, materials, and finish and design prototype units that might not actually be released. Therefore, it's wise to approach these leaks with a bit of skepticism. Nevertheless, the images closely match the information we have heard about the device, making it one of the best look at it so far. So yeah, that's it for today. Now, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, I will see you in the next video. Peace out.